A closed self-support ticket does not always mean your problem was solved. It usually means the support conversation has been marked as completed. By the end, you'll know what a closed self-support ticket means, how to check the response, and what steps to take if your issue is still open. Start by reviewing the final message inside your closed ticket. The most important detail is whether self provided a solution, requested more information, or simply marked the conversation as finished. A support ticket can be closed after a reply is sent, but the original issue may still need another action. Check the response carefully and compare it with the problem you reported. If the answer does not fix your issue, contact self-support again and mention that you are following up on a previously closed ticket. Include the details from the original conversation, so you do not have to explain everything from the beginning. A useful follow-up message should include what happened, what response you received, and what still needs to be resolved. Clear details help the support team understand the remaining problem. For example, if you cannot access your account, explain where the process stops and what message or issue appears. If your question involves payments, account information, or a credit-building product feature, explain the exact part that needs clarification. Avoid sending a short message like, "Still not working," because it does not give support enough information to investigate. A better message explains the issue, the steps you already tried, and the result you received. Another step is checking whether self asked you to complete something before the ticket was closed. Some support responses require the customer to provide additional information or complete a requested action. Keep records of your support conversations, including ticket numbers, messages, and any instructions you receive. These details make future follow-ups easier if the issue continues. If you open a new support request, keep the message focused on the same unresolved issue. Combining several unrelated questions can make it harder to get a clear answer. The main points are simple. A closed self-support ticket does not automatically mean the problem is fixed. The final response explains what happened, and a detailed follow-up helps support continue the process. Your next step is to review the closed ticket, identify what remains unresolved, and send a clear follow-up with the needed details. If this guide helped you handle a closed support ticket, like the video and subscribe for more practical troubleshooting guides.